Hi friends, I want to show you how we use this Iwoly B600 corded vacuum here in my office. I want first to tell you that this is a very special unit because it has no buttons or any kind of accessory to connect the telescopic tube. So it's really convenient. You just connect it, and as this part is tapered, this won't come off. Then the telescopic tube has no buttons also here. It's also like tapered, so you can put the accessories just like that. They won't come off and you can begin working immediately. That's really convenient. No buttons that can be broken or that can be jammed. You just connect and work. The cable is really long, so you can clean almost any room without having to change the connection from one outlet to another. Okay? In some cases, if you have a connector, an electric outlet in the middle of 2 or 3 rooms, you can clean the 2 or the 3 rooms without even having to change the outlet once. That's easy. You just close the telescopic tube and take everything to the storage room or wherever you want to store it. Remember, it has this hook, and it's stored really easy in the wall or wherever you want it. Thank you.